In this video, we'll guide you through how to check and see your comments on YouTube. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful because you can see a list of all the different comments you've made. Without this, you'd have to go through each video individually, which can take a lot of time. So let's get started. First, head to the bottom right of YouTube where you'll see the U icon. Tap on it to open your profile page. Next, go to the top right corner, where you'll see a gear or cog icon. Tap on that to open your settings. In the settings, scroll down and look for the option labeled Manage Your Google Activity and tap on it. This will open up your activity history. From here, tap on Interactions and then go to Video Interactions. Now, tap on Comments and Replies, and you'll see all the comments you've made. You can scroll through to find older comments as well. If you want to delete any, just tap the three dots next to the comment and select Delete.